Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? Vechain holder, this time, absolutely, I have a very good news is for all of you. But my friends, the condition is very critical now in a crypto market because my friends, you can see here minus 3.25%. My friend, the price is dictated now. So, what's the reason? First of all, we will need my friends to research personally very high about this reason to why this coin were fails down and what we will need to do to be safe from the loss. So, I will notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to please hold it now. I hope you in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit, so please don't starting selling. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching my all viewers, my subscriber. VGN is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, so if you want my friends to get a profit, then absolutely this is very good chance my friends to you will take now. Don't my friends take a risk without my friend any information, but in those days you will need my friends to try now, otherwise this is impossible my friends, so they will give you a profit. So thanks for watching my VChain holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care. Remember my friends, to upcoming time this coin will go in the moon now, so don't starting selling. Hold it. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.